What we're preparing today, we are sure you are going to love. A cranberry glazed oven roasted chicken. We're going to make it really easy. Start by adding room temperature salted butter, lemon pepper, sugar, ginger, cumin, cayenne, onion powder, fresh rosemary, and some garlic. Mix this all together. Now we're going to slather our bird with this compound butter. We're going to cover it with foil and put it in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. Look at all that steam, looking juicy. So it's back into the oven until golden brown for about 7 or 8 minutes. So our chicken is out and we're just putting our glaze on it. Alright guys, so this is a fun and delicious recipe to create. It's delightful, it's delicious, it's yummy. Bring some Christmas cheer your way together again with Ocean Spray.